to possessing some level of consciousness. So multidisciplinary, you have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, pathology, philosophy, and you have to take cognitive neuroscience into consideration because their brain oscillation transitions from what society is ubiquitously known for in the beta or alpha when you're in a relaxed state to sometimes gamma. So there's a transition that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different parapsychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and altered. And then you have to take areas of philosophy into consideration during mania. During mania, a manic episode may take on a number of different philosophical ideologies, like solipsism or animism, implement a spirit and a soul into tangible and intangible, organic or inorganic, animate and inanimate. Or they might take a panentheism, or that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is